See, that's unsure, that's not submission. Okay, good girl. You have to give him a moment because the brain got stuck this way.
Yeah.
So just stay there.
She didn't do that to you earlier?
No, not like that.
Right.
No, not at all.
Okay.
No, this is the first time I seen this behavior. Yeah. So you see, just a relaxation. It's an understand. I didn't see that coming. Not yet, not yet. This is more water for me.
Still not submitted?
No, not submitting yet. But now I can see the aggression that he was showing to him. It's pretty bad. That aggression cannot be allowed around babies.
This is gonna hurt, but here, peroxide.
Yeah. I was like about to faint right in front of her face. It's better. Open mouth. I gotta go get some ice.
Ice, Christina, ice.
Cesar, I'm sorry.
No worries, man. No, that's my job. Here, just put it. Don't worry about it.
Is he okay? Oh
he
my
is
gosh,
fine.
that was really
He
bad.
is fine. She needs major rehabilitation.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's why we're here.